When it comes to project management software, choosing the right tool can make all the difference in keeping your team organized and on track. Today, we'll compare Salesflare versus Insightly to see which one truly stands out for managing projects effectively. Stick around to the end, as I'll give you my recommendation after testing both, and you'll find out why one might just be a better fit for your needs. Let's dive into Salesflare first. This tool is great for teams who want to streamline their sales process and integrate their project management needs directly with CRM functionality. One of Salesflare's strongest features is its deep integration with emails, calendars, and other tools, making it a solid choice if you're looking for a sales-driven project management tool. It automatically updates your contact information and tasks, saving time, but this can also make it a bit overwhelming if you're just focusing on project management without a heavy sales focus. Next thing, Salesflare is easy to use with its clean interface. For small teams or individuals who want a no-fuss approach, Salesflare's simple layout might be appealing. It's not overloaded with complex features that you might never use, but that also means it can lack some of the deeper customization options you might need as your projects scale up. On the other hand, Insightly offers a different approach. It's designed with a more robust project management system, featuring task tracking, project timelines, and more advanced reporting options. The fourth thing is that Insightly is well suited for project-based businesses. If you're managing client projects with multiple stages, this software offers a solid framework with clear visual representations of your progress. However, this can also be its downfall. It can feel cumbersome for teams that just need a simple, sales-focused solution. The next consideration is the user experience. Insightly has more complex features, and while they offer a lot of power, the learning curve can be steep. You'll need to spend some time getting acquainted with its more advanced functionalities, especially if you're not used to handling large-scale projects. Salesflare is easier in this respect, but you lose out on some of the more advanced project management tools that Insightly offers. Now, let's talk about pricing. Salesflare is generally more affordable if you're a small team or individual looking for basic project management capabilities. It's on the lower end of the pricing spectrum, but that doesn't necessarily mean you're getting the best deal if project management is your top priority. Insightly, while offering more features, tends to be more expensive. You're paying for the extra functionality, but for some, that extra cost might not be justified if they don't need the extensive features it offers. The fifth thing to consider is customer support. Both tools provide good customer support, but with Insightly being a more feature-rich platform, some users find their support system to be slower or more complex due to the higher volume of inquiries they receive. After trying both, I have to say that both Salesflare and Insightly are good at what they do, but they have their limitations when it comes to project management. Salesflare is better if you need a simpler, sales-oriented tool, but if you need more comprehensive project management features like custom workflows, team collaboration tools, and deeper reporting, Insightly could be the better option. However, after testing both of these, I found an alternative that truly stands out in terms of what's needed for top-tier project management. If you want a smoother experience, a better set of features, and a better deal overall, you should definitely check out the free trial through the first link in the description. You'll get exclusive benefits and the best trial available only through this link. Remember, both Salesflare and Insightly have their strengths, but if your main goal is efficient and easy project management, there's a better alternative for you to explore. Go ahead, take advantage of that free trial, and let me know what you think.